Now, let's watch the engine room of this car. So that the engine room can be cleaned optimally, we open and remove this air filter device. Open the two bolts on the air hose line. After that, open the hose clamp. Lift the air hose and immediately check the condition. Okay, lots of dust. We continue by opening the filter box. Unplug the MUP sensor socket. The MUP sensor cable is still clamped to the filter box. Wait a minute. I'll try to removing the engine air hose first. Okay, this is where the clamp is at the bottom. Let's first open and close this filter box. How to open? It is quite easy. You just have to remove the metal filter book clamp. Once it can be opened, immediately lift the air filter. Look, here there is a torn part of the rubber seal. It looks like this rubber seal has been torn a long time ago. With conditions like this air filter should not be used again. It's certain, friends, we have to replace this air filter with a new one. Next, we release the MUP sensor cable clamp. After the cable clamp is released, we can wash the filter box lid cleanly. From here, we can prepare to do the washing. Let's first remove the hose clamp. The goal is that we can wrap this hose easily. Oh yes, for the engine air hose, put it back in position. Also continue by wrapping the MUP sensor socket. Lastly, we disconnect the battery. Okay, wash it immediately. After finishing washing, we wipe all areas of the engine room, especially for the inside of the air filter box must be wiped until completely dry. After everything is wiped dry, we install all these components again as before. Oh yes, I'll use the air filter for now. Later, after this section is finished, I will replace the air filter with a new one. We install everything first. We have to check first the condition of the indicators on the dashboard. Okay, it's safe. The engine can start normally without any warning indicators. The air condition was turned on too, so that the engine room area can dry completely. We can close the engine hood and leave this condition for 15 minutes. Let the blower fan the engine compartment until it is dry. Okay, that's all friends. Wait for the follow-up video.